In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen and clicking on it. Now access it in the background and click on those three dots at the top to see this pop-up. Hit split view, tap on the second app and enjoy using both at once. If you want to resize them, hold this line in the middle and drag them. You can use the same line to exit split screen view by dragging one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. You can also close them by simply swiping them in the background. To use more options of split screen view, you need to click on three dots located at the top of first and second app. Then try one of those options by clicking on it. Expand, full screen, switch app, which will switch your app to the one you will click here, and last but not least, close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!